Myxomycetes is a group of Protista. These are also known as slime molds as they appear as a gelatinous slime. They complete their life cycle into two phases. The first phase is somatic phase, which is characterized by multinucleated acellular slimy protoplasmic mass, and that protoplasmic mass is called as plasmodium. Second phase is known as reproductive phase. During this reproductive phase, plasmodium converts into fruit-like bodies, and these fruit-like bodies are known as sporophores. There are basically four types of sporophores are present in Myxomycetes. The first type is sporangia. Sporangia Myxomycetes की most common fruiting body है, in which plasmodium converts into a group of stalked sac-like structures, in which the sporangia remains separate in this group. Example is trichia. If we draw a diagram to show the sporangia fruiting body, it will look like this one. This is a group. This is hypothalamus, and in which the sporangia are separated from each other. Second type of fruiting body is Athelia. In this fruiting body, plasmodium converts into a group of stalked sac-like structure, but sporangia are not separated from each other. They are enclosed in a membrane, and that membrane is called as peridium. It means these are sporangia and they are covered in a membrane. They share a common hypothallus. Example of Athelia type of fruiting body is Hemitrichia. Sorry, it's Uligo. Third type of sporophore is Plasmodiocarps. Plasmodiocarps fruiting body में plasmodium converts into sac-like structure, but that sac-like structure do not have stalk. It means they are sessile in nature. They are sessile in nature, as well as plasmodium concentrated around veins. यानी जो प्रोटोप्लाज्मिक मास है वो veins के around concentrated हो जाता है. They do not have hypothallus, means these are sessile in nature. So they looks like this one. These are sporophores, in which the mass is concentrated near the veins. Example of this type of fruiting body is Hemitrichia. The last one is Pseudoathelia. In this type of fruiting body, Their development is similar to Athelia. It means protoplasmic mass converts into stalked sac-like structure. They appear as a combined, but actually porophores are separated from each other. Means appearance इनका एथीलिया टाइप में होता है, लेकिन एक्चुअली पोरोफोर्स एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड नहीं होते. दे आर separated from each other. That is known as pseudoethelia. So there are four types of fruiting bodies in Myxomycetes family. First is sporangia, second is ethelia, third one is plasmodiocarps, and the fourth one is pseudoethelia.